Hi everyone. I wish you all a very happy International Day of Yoga. I am Anuja, a BTech ECE pass out from Asansol Engineering College. I currently work for Tata Consultancy Services for a project based in Austin, Texas, USA. I am also a certified yoga trainer specialized in power yoga. Yoga has been defined in innumerable ways by many learned sages over thousands of years. Per Bhagavad Gita, yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Yoga is a way to lead a fulfilled, harmonious, and liberated life. It helps us in living a mindful life while bringing holistic strength, vitality, healing, and happiness into the lives of yoga practitioners. In today's world, for many of us, yoga means physical exercises, a sequence of poses performed on yoga mat. But in reality, the physical exercises are just one limb of 8 limbs of yogic way of life, the Ashtanga Marg. The 8 limbs of Ashtanga Marg are Yama, the moral restraints, Niyama, that is observations, Asana, that is postures, Pranayam, meaning mindful breathing, Pratyahar, that is turning inward, Dharan, that is concentration, Dhyan, meaning meditation, and Samadhi, that's union of self with the object of meditation. To honor the limitations of time, I would leave the details of each limb for some other time. For today, let's focus on the importance of Yogasana practice, the physical exercises, the sequence of yoga poses. Through a physically rigorous asana practice, yoga offers its practitioners a space to experience their perceived strengths and weaknesses. What it is that's holding you back? What judgments are hindering your growth? What patterns are standing in your way? How can you shift your perspective? How can you let go of expectations? And most importantly, how can you step into your fullest expression? Yogasana practice raises awareness of your power that's already within you and helps you access this power both on and off the mat. The meaning of fitness in modern world has somehow shrinked to the idea of either keeping body weight in control or building muscles. Yoga, on the other hand, provides a unique experience that builds strength, flexibility, openness, and mindfulness. It not only keeps body fit, but also nourishes mind and nurtures soul. Yoga teaches us to love this life for what it is, a gift and a blessing. Express gratitude for what you have already created in your life. and share this attitude with the rest of the world. Be a stand for the purpose of your life and aim to inspire others through your actions. You have the opportunity and responsibility to live the life the way you choose. Transform your life through yoga and transform the world for better, one breath at a time. Once again, I wish you all a very happy International Day of Yoga and a lifetime of health, happiness, satisfaction, and peace. Namaste.